You're in luck. I'll walk you through the process step by step on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To begin, let's tweak your mouse pointer's color. First off, head over to Settings, then click on Accessibility from the menu on the left. After that, select Mouse Pointer and Touch. At the top, you'll see various mouse pointer styles like white, black, inverted, and even custom colored ones. To personalize your pointer color, click on the Custom Colored option and choose your favorite shade from the list. Don't see your preferred color? No worries. Just hit the plus button labeled Choose Another Color. Then select your desired color from the color picker, and when you're satisfied, hit Done. Voila! Your mouse pointer colors has now been changed. Now, if you're eyeing to adjust your cursor size, simply grab the slider and slide it left to right. As you move it, you'll notice your cursor size changing accordingly. Experiment with different sizes until you find the perfect fit for you. And there you have it. That's all it takes to customize your mouse's pointer color and size. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.